Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to download or backup website database in XML format using phpMyAdmin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in phpMyAdmin and this is our database. So we are going to download database in XML format. So you can apply this method for PHP website database or WordPress website database. On top you see export, so click on it and then you see exporting table from this database and then you see export method quick custom. Now select quick and then you see format, drop down you see SQL. So we are going to select XML. Now you see, so we selected XML from drop down and then click on export. Now you see file name database.xml and then you see save as type XML document.xml and then click on save. Now you see file save done in XML format database. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.